Understanding Behind the Times. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, behind the times. This expression is quite common, and understanding it can really help you sound more natural in English. So, let's break it down together and explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Behind the times is a phrase that describes someone or something that is outdated or not keeping up with current trends or standards. It suggests that the person, idea, or object is stuck in the past and hasn't adapted to the changes or advancements that have occurred. The phrase, behind the times, has been in use for centuries, evolving from the literal sense of being physically behind in time to its more figurative usage today. It reflects the human experience of change and the challenge of staying current with an ever-evolving world. Using behind the times is quite straightforward. It's often used to describe technology, fashion, ideas, or even people who are perceived as not being up to date. For example, that old computer is really behind the times. His views on education are a bit behind the times. It's a gentle way of indicating that something or someone hasn't kept pace with developments without being overly critical. Let's look at some examples to see how behind the times can be used in sentences. I can't believe you still use a flip phone. Aren't you behind the times? The company's policies are behind the times, which is why they're losing employees. These examples help illustrate the phrase in context, showing its versatility and how it can apply to various scenarios. While behind the times can sound negative, it's not always used critically. Sometimes, it's used in a nostalgic or affectionate way to describe traditions or practices that are cherished despite being outdated. I hope this video has helped you understand what behind the times means and how you can use it. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and phrases like this are a great way to connect with the culture and history of English. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.